Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can easily create different type of musics using AI tool. As we know, this website Suno AI, this one is the most popular platform that lets you create any type of music without any skills. Now Gemini has introduced a new model of AI. You can use this one to create any type of musics, poems and many more. So first of all, I want to use ChatGPT. For example, let me type here, create a poem for grade 5 students. After that, press enter, and here you can see within couple of seconds we got this poem. Now if I scroll down, I can copy this poem okay, let me scroll down, and this one is copy button. After that, here I can select this option, create music, and then here you can see these are the pre-built tracks and musics that you can select from this library, and these are copyright free. You can use it anywhere. Now here I can type create this poem, then add all of the text that we have copied from ChatGPT, press enter, and here you can see it has started working on it, and it is generating track. You can also generate notes and musics as well as different anything you want to generate. Just you need to add here and then press the enter button. So now if I scroll down, here you can see it is done. Now I can play. Okay, that's perfect. Now if I scroll down, here you can see I should have a button, this one. I can download this file in my laptop. Also I can share it anywhere with my friends. Okay, this one is show subtitles. So if you want to enable, then you can click this button. After that, let me click this button, and here you can see these are the output formats. So we can select video, and also make sure that you can easily upload this type of videos on your YouTube channel, and you can make a lot of money. Also you can just simply export this one in audio file. So thank you for watching video.